Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix mic not working on Windows 11 laptop PC in Real Does Matter. First of all, you just need to go and search and look for sound settings. Go to sound settings, then scroll all the way down until you see more sound settings. Click on it, then go to recording. Make sure if you connect your microphone correctly, your microphone should appear here. Make sure to set as default, then right click, go to properties, then go to a levels, and then make sure it has proper sound. And the most important thing here, make sure that this button is not looking like this. So basically, your mic, if it's pressed out, your mic is off all time. So make sure to disable that option, and it should look like this. Apply the changes and look if the problem persists after that. And if it's not working, then go to settings again, then go to privacy and security, scroll down until you see microphone, then make sure microphone access is enabled here, and let apps access your microphone is on, and also the specific apps that you want to use also should be enabled as well. And that should fix your problem. So if I help you out, please press like.